Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can get 200 views per day for free using the technology of AI, artificial intelligence content creation software. This is an insane traffic strategy. And yes, it is going to be using the power of a site called Quora. And this will be an actual testimony type video or case study, whatever you want to call it, because I'm going to start using this as a strategy. I'm going to put in an entire month of maybe putting in about 30 minutes to an hour per day in my business to see how much traffic I can drive. I'm going to walk you through all that in this video. So we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you. But first, why would we use Quora? So let's jump in real quick. I'm going to come over here to SimilarWeb, and we can just type in Quora.com, push enter for websites. So it's going to pull up worldwide. It's the 77th highest traffic website on earth. That's a lot of traffic. Imagine how many billions of websites there actually are on the planet. And to be inside of the top 1,000, your website's cooking. To be inside of the top 100 on the planet is insane. So we can come up here and it's actually ranked 69 in the United States. So now we're just looking at this. This is incredible because I just watched a video, just maybe of somebody a couple months ago that was kind of using Quora for traffic, but definitely not using it the way that I'm going to be teaching you in this short video. But anyway, look at the total visits, 550 million total visits per month is insane. And people are spending 2 minutes, 42 seconds on the site on average. They're visiting more than 2 pages. It's got a really good bounce rate, which means that people go and they stay on the site. It's got really, really good buyer type traffic as well. Most of the traffic comes from the United States at 39%. Then you have United Kingdom is in here. You have Canada, you have Australia. These are all wealthy countries that, in general, like to buy things online. So it's a really, really good qualified traffic. So we're going to jump in real quick and I'm going to show you Quora. So we're going to log in and I'm actually, you can actually check out Quora. I actually have the settings to set to night mode. And I'm just going to leave that on. I like it. And it's a little easier on the eyes. So we're on Quora right here. And one thing that I was looking at is that when I go to my profile and check it out, right, you're going to see, I only have 30 answers on here and you're going to see the traffic's insane. But what I really want to do is just kind of debunk some of the things, some of the information that's out there that you can't put, I wouldn't directly put affiliate links in your answers, but you can definitely drive traffic to your, as long as you're offering value in your answer, you can link them to almost anything, just not a direct link to a affiliate link. But what I want to do is you can see all these answers that I did within the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I did 15 answers in the last, 2 days, 15 answers. And you're going to see how many views that actually brought in. But then I'm going to scroll down here and you're going to look at all this other stuff that I've posted on I haven't used this a whole lot, but you can see we're looking at over 2 years ago. And what is a good way to make money on the side, right? So I'm going to click on one that I did 2 years ago, and I just want to look at the answer. So this one actually had 207 answers, but I want to look at what I wrote. So I had this, there's several ways you can look at it. It's high quality, researched, and I do have, so if they don't like a site, so I actually was linking to Fiverr, but they did an access to this page has been blocked. So they have their own algorithm that will automatically block sites that, apparently too many people were driving traffic to Fiverr. And you know what? Honestly, I don't remember if this was an affiliate link. This could have been a Fiverr affiliate link. Actually, it's not, because you can see down here, look down here in the corner, it just says Fiverr.com. So it was not an affiliate link, but they still are blocking it. So there's certain sites that Quora is going to, in their algorithm, just go ahead and block immediately. But the most important thing I want you to see is that these are all helpful links. But then at the very end, I have a little bit of a call to action. You can check out what I've been doing to earn thousands online in the below video. So I actually am sending them to a video, and you can even see it's a bit.ly link just to track the traffic. And I could go into bit.ly and show you the stats, but people have clicked on that and it's brought in some people to my YouTube channel. So they are keeping this, right? If we click onto that link, it's going to take them to YouTube to watch one of my YouTube videos, right? So you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel and drive traffic to it, right? So that's just one way. And I could show you several other, several other questions that I've answered that, so far I've looked at all my answers and none of the call to actions have been taken away. So that's just something, as long as you're offering quality content and you're not spamming and you're not sending them to affiliate links to Amazon to just sell products and all that. If you're sending them to your blog or you're sending them to YouTube and it's relevant, then they're going to let you keep your links and you can drive traffic. So it's awesome. So let's go into, over here, I'm going to go into stats, right? I'm going to click on the stats button. We're just going to look at the stats real quick, right? So before I did this little test, right? And so keep this in mind. Quora is always 1 day behind on their stats. So right now this is actually for May 22nd, and that was Saturday. Saturday, I posted like maybe 5 or 6 questions and it brought in, look, my account was just averaging about 10 views per day. On average of just from all the questions that I've done in the past. You can tell. So I only had about maybe 20. I had about 18 questions on my account. But I've had some good ones that bring in solid daily traffic. But then I decided to give this a go and give it a test. And look, on Saturday from a few questions, I brought in, right here, you'll be able to see 150 views, and then Sunday is going to be even more than that because it's going to snowball. I did another 6 or 7 questions on Sunday, and then so now you have the power of all those 12 questions I did over the weekend, and you're going to be bringing your traffic up to probably 300 or so, right, per day. And so what does this do? It snowballs, right? We can just continue to build our traffic. So this is the proof that yep, you do get views and it does work. And I will keep you guys updated on the traffic right here. But when we're looking at all these different questions right here, I can just tell you right now, like this one right here, is it legal to make money on public domain content? Click on that one. I got 34 views on Saturday, and that was one of the questions that was new. So yes, you can bring traffic in, and then kind of a proof, proof of concept. Does this work? I'm going to go into my funnel builder here, and if you need a funnel builder and you are, don't want to spend $300 a month on ClickFunnels, then this funnel builder right here is a really, really good one. I will leave a link below. But I'm going to go into my funnels here. It's only $25 a month for this funnel builder. So I created a brand new, just like I even titled it Quora. So this is all going to be just Quora traffic, right? And so I got on May 21st, I got a couple visitors there. And then on May 23rd, yesterday, I got another visitor right here. Did they sign up and convert? No. But did the traffic from Quora, so I'm measuring this, did traffic from Quora come to this page and click on it? Absolutely. So you have to do some math, right? It's going to be colder traffic on Quora than YouTube or something. But once you build it up and you're getting thousands of views per day, you're getting, dozens of visitors per day, it's going to lead to some traffic into your business, and it's free. So how do we do this, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to go back over to Quora. I'm going to click over here onto answers, and I'm just going to, we're going to answer one real quick. I'm going to show you how quickly you can do this. What is the best online jobs for earning 1,000 in one day? What are at least 3 ways that I can increase my wages? Let's see if we can find a good one here real quick. All right. So here's one right here. What are the reasons why people may choose to invest their money? You can literally just copy this right here. It only has one answer. We're going to answer that one. I'm going to go into my favorite content creation tool, right now. And I have an unlimited plan per month. It's about $100 per month, but this will create any content that you need created. It'll create YouTube videos. It'll create blog posts. It'll create copy for your sales page, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to go over here to new, and they have a new feature that's literally dedicated to Quora answers. So it'll create intelligent answers for tough questions. I'm going to click on that. We're going to come over here. And you can see I've been using this, and this is what I used. So we're going to put that in there. You can fill this out if you want even more something specific in your answer. You can put that in there right there. I'm going to leave it. And I've actually been testing out Funny to see if it can kind of have a little bit of more kind of humorous content. So we're going to push the generate button. It's going to go out there and it's going to answer our question for us. So yeah, I just kind of read through it later on. So these are reasons right here. So you can take any of these, and if they're all kind of a little bit different, then I'll even take all of them. So what I'll do is I'll take open up my little notepad over here. I'll shrink this down so I have a and then I'll go ahead and I'll copy that and I'll put it over here. And we could just take this answer and leave it the way it is. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use all three of them because they're all three very different answers, and we're going to offer value, right? And I'm going to come down and I got three of these. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to throw that in there as well. And I'm going to take off the little part where it says answer. So now you've got a few hundred words, a couple hundred words that you're, and then I'll take off the last sentence a lot of times when it gets cut off and it didn't finish its thought. This type can often become addicted, believing that they need cash for the high social standard that feels necessary for their own self. That one, actually, we can put a period on that. All right, so we have our content. I'm going to go ahead and grab this answer. It's a full answer, right? And I'm going to come back over to Quora where we had that answer that we want to answer this. What are the reasons why people may choose to invest their money? I'm going to push the answer button. And you have a credential over here, so I can go ahead and click that, and I have different kind of profiles, right? And this one right here does have a link back to my site. I'm going to go ahead and answer. I'm going to throw all that in there. And then what I'm going to do is push the enter button, and you can choose to do this or not do it. But I'm going to go ahead and I am going to put a link in here because I have no reason I have not had my links taken down. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. And at the very end, I've offered value, and it has to do with people making money. And if I have a free guide on how to escape the 9-to-5 and start making a real income online. Go here and they click on that. They will actually go to my Quora funnel so I can measure the traffic that's coming into my funnel, right? If you want to get your hands on this funnel, go ahead and check out that funnel builder link that I'll have in the description. So we have all that. I'm going to go ahead and push post. You can put an image on here if you would like. But here is my nice answer where I'm giving value. All this, you can copyscape check this. It's all 100% human readable content. It's also 100% copyscape checked. So there's just nothing like this on the planet where you can actually answer these questions in a matter of seconds and drive traffic, right? We can come back over here and drive traffic to our offers. And so that is the tool. So if you want to pick up the tool, this is called Conversion AI, and it's an artificial intelligence software that has such an intelligent algorithm that it'll actually go out there and read millions or even billions of pieces of content in a matter of seconds, and then it will rephrase and rewrite it in a human way so that the content that's actually being spit out is actually like it's being written by a human, and it's not like what you would get from spinning softwares or something like that. So it's going out and doing all the hard work for you. And it's just an amazing tool. So you can click on that. And if you click on the link below for Conversion AI, you can sign up for a free 5-day trial, and they'll give you 10,000 credits to start out, to try it out and all that. And then if you want to upgrade, I personally recommend just go ahead and getting the unlimited pro unlimited plan. I think it's $109 a month, and you'll have unlimited content for anything you need content for, all your websites, all your blogs, all your YouTube channels, and you could use this strategy that I showed in this video, which is Quora Answers. So to drive traffic to your website or your offer or your YouTube channel. So that's it for this strategy. I'm going to continue using this, and I'll come back and I'll give you guys an update of how much traffic I was able to bring in a 1 month period. So my test kind of started on May 22nd, and we're going to see if we can get my account. Like right now I'm at over 14,000 views, 26 upvotes, 1 share, but I want to see like this line down here. I want to see a massive spike down here. And you can also see this spike over here. Maybe I'll do another video on that, but that was because I put one of my spaces, I have created one space, a Quora space, and this one right here, how many website visitors you need to make 5,000 per month from ads, has gotten a ton of views, almost 1.5 thousand views and 2 upvotes just from there. So Quora is a great place that you can grab free traffic and a sustainable and organic traffic. All right. We'll see you in the next video. If you did like this video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.